Hi guys, and a massive warm welcome back to the channel. Just remember, if this is the sort of content that you do enjoy, please don't forget to subscribe and like the videos. Thank you. So as you'll see from the thumbnail guys, today we're going to be trying out some products kindly sent to me by Ashfield Valeting Supplies. So I will be putting all links down below guys. Please go check these guys out. They've been going since '92. And as my car hasn't been washed in a good 5 to 6 months, I thought, well, what better way to put these products to the test than to give my car a little bit of TLC. So as always guys, we're going to be starting off with the wheels, the tyres and the arches, because normally they are the dirtiest parts of the cars. So we're just going to reach for their citrus blitz. Now this is ready to use. So as always, tyres may need a second or third hit of citrus, and we're going to go in with their Blood Rain, which is their iron fallout remover. Now these wheels are coated and I haven't hit them with fallout in such a long time. They glow purple as you see. Now this is what I'm spraying on is Auto Bright's wheel shampoo. I wasn't sent a wheel cleaner, so I had to improvise, and it was a way of me trying this. And as you'll see, I'm going in with the EZ big barrel brush. Now these wheels probably going to be the easiest wheels to clean, and this brush makes light work of it. So now we're going to go back to the citrus blitz. Now as I said, this was a 500ml bottle and it's £4.95 guys, cheap as chips, ready to use. And I left it for about 5 minutes to do its thing and rinsed off. And as you'll see, it did shift a hell of a lot of dirt because this car was covered. So now we've got the citrus out of the way, it's time to blanket the car in a nice thick layer of snow foam. And there's Blizzard. Now this is low pH. I mixed it at 10 to 1, so 100ml to 900ml of water. And guys, again, this is £4.95, very cost effective. You're going to get 5 washes from this little bottle. And this stuff just clung, stuck to the car, really nice, had a lot of time to go around and do your brushwork, and it rinsed off with ease. So guys, if you've used anything from Ashfield Valeting supplies, let me know your experience, what you used, how you got on. It's always interesting to know. Leave your comments down below. So now we're on to the contact wash. And for this, we're going to be using Cosmos. Now this shampoo, guys, is 500ml for £3.95. Now you are hearing that right, £3.95. I used 30ml of this stuff in 400ml of water in a lance, and the smell was unbelievable, guys. Glided under the mitt. Loved the way it come out of the lance. I will be using this again. So here's just a close-up of how fluffy this shampoo is applied via lance. Now this is something I've wanted for a while. This is courtesy of my friend at Rab Reviews, another YouTuber, guys. His links will be down below. So please go drop him a sub on YouTube, like him on Instagram, follow him on Facebook, guys. He is a top guy and he is smashing out some good content. Now I've wanted this off him ever since he reviewed it, and kind enough, he sent it me. So Rab, I do thank you very much for this, mate. I absolutely love it. So I just wanted to show you what sort of water behavior was on my car. As you see, the water just sticks. There is no protection on this car at all. So now we're on to a bit of protection. So we're going to use Arctic. Now Arctic is a ceramic snow foam. Now I mixed this 1 part product, 5 parts water, guys, and sprayed on the car. I left to dwell for about 2 to 3 minutes. I know you should rinse them off straight away, but I like to let them sit, take some photos, you know, then rinse off. Now the water behaviour sheets well. And while you're watching this, I was sent Drizzle, which is their wet look tyre gel. Now, some people will know that I'm not a fan of tyre gel, but I do like this stuff. I like the applicator that it come with, and it does make a world of difference. So you will be seeing a little bit more tyre gel on these videos from now on, guys. And just by applying that Arctic, made the car so much easier to dry. But guys, links down below for these products. Go check them out. So there we are, guys. Another one done. I'd like to say a big massive thank you to Ashfield Valeting Supplies for sending me these products and giving me the chance to review and test them. Also, I'd like to say a big massive thank you to Darren Wilkinson, who started it. He got in contact, put Valeting Supplies my way. So I do appreciate you, mate. Thank you very much. And guys, I appreciate you all for watching, liking, sharing, subscribing. Please comment down below, and I'll catch you on the next one. Take care.